Okay, so in this case, we've got sine x equals to negative 0.4. Okay, so if we do sine to the minus 1 of negative 0.4, okay, on my calculator, type that in, shift sine minus 0.4, and I get out minus 23, okay, point, say, 6, yeah, we round that to minus 23.6. Now, you might think now we've got a bit of a problem because the solution needs to be in that range and we've got a negative solution out. It's not an issue so long as you're careful in terms of your graph. Now, because it's a minus answer, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to draw a graph with a bigger range, okay? So what do? We do 8 lines down, yeah, or that's roughly 8 lines. And then we're going to go, what we usually do is 12 centimeters across then, isn't it? Yeah? But this time what I want you to do is 12 centimeters across, but I also want you to go back 3 centimeters into the negative, okay? Into the negative part of the x-axis. So we got 3 there, and then another 3, 3, 3, 3, and so on. So we've got 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, and go back then to minus 90. Okay? 0 there, 1 here, and minus 1, because the sine graph goes between between minus 1 and 1. Now again, if you remember, you can type in sine 0 to work out what that is. So sine 0 is 0, yeah? You could do the same for sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. But because we got the we're going to draw the graph into the negative region as well, we need to type in minus 90, okay? And of course this is going to come out to be minus 1, as you see that, okay? So if you keep doing that, you'll end up with zigzag again, yeah? But of course we're going to draw a curve, so we turn it around, your page around, to help you as you're drawing this. Okay, there's your sine wave. Now, the reason why I've included that negative part is because we have got minus 0.4 and it comes out to be minus 23.6. So minus 0.4 is maybe about there. Okay. So if I draw a line through here, you can see then it gives me that angle of minus 23.6 there. That's not good because it's outside of my range, but these are the angles that I want. Here and here, okay? So if we just appreciate that bit of the curve there is exactly the same as that bit of the curve and this bit of the curve. So I don't need this in my answer, but I do need that. And if you think about it, to get that angle there, I've just got to add on that distance. Now that distance is 23.6 degrees. So if I add 23.6 degrees on, I'll get my answer. And the same there, but this time going backwards. So if I take away 23.6 from 360, I'll get my answer to be what I need. So that's 336.4 there and 203.6.